Alright people, how are we? It's been a while again. I always run out of time, don't have time to do this, that and the other. Life just gets in the way. But I have set aside 20 minutes or so this evening to eat a chili. Now this one, I was quite looking forward to trying until I saw TJ Burns attempt it. This is grown by TJ again. It's called the Borg9, named after Ernest Borg9, the actor. And I can't remember what it's crossed with. Head over to TJ's channel for all the facts. He knows it all. He will tell you to watch his video. In fact, he explained everything. It's Monday night, school night. Anyway, it's got to be done. Oh, thankfully, there is not, and this is a lot smaller than one TJ8. Quite a small placenta. Whew. Oh yeah. TJ said these were very floral. I can smell that. Usually I don't struggle with floral, although a chili I ate recently, the 7-pot Primo boot, that was quite floral. Second one I ate and yeah, it got me a little bit, but that being said, I normally don't struggle. So let's get this guy together. The Borg9, grown by TJ Burns. Excuse me. He said it's probably the hottest pod he's had. Let's see. Damn hatch. Straight away. Very floral. Weird, man. Oh, dear me. The burn is everywhere. Excuse me. Oh, yep, that's hot. Hot. Oh dear. I've got a bit stuck to the roof of my mouth. Oh. 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 So the burn has moved from everywhere, just to the back of the tongue, and my throat. Wow. Really wow. That's still rising. Oh, TJ. Oh, God. Oh. It took my breath away. That is seriously hot. Proper attack on the throat. Hiccups. Now it's it's maybe that is hot. I'm at a good 8 there. Wow. Oh. Oh. I bet I'll better talk in a minute. Pepper burp. Oh. So there we go. That was the Borg9. Wow. Unbelievable. That was so damn hot. Still is. It's definitely peaked though. It's still hot in the mouth. Unbelievable. That is a ferocious burn. Previously I said from TJ, his Armageddons were the hottest pepper I've had. That's a new one. They are hot. Oh. On that note, thank you very much for watching. If you like videos, like, share, subscribe. Comment if you want, I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Man, that was hot. Goodbye.